Welcome to my YouTube channel. Dr. Van Tharp, a renowned trading coach and founder of the Van Tharp Institute, outlines a 5-step process for becoming a successful trader in his book, Super Trader. Make consistent profits in good and bad markets. This process combines psychological aspects, money management, and system development to help traders succeed in various market conditions. Step 1. Master psychology. Dr. Tharp emphasizes that trading psychology is the single most critical factor. For trading success, traders work on understanding their beliefs, mental states, and mental strategies to handle emotions like fear and greed. This self-awareness and control are vital for consistent performance. Step 2. Create a business plan. Trading should be treated as a business, not a hobby. Traders must develop a comprehensive business plan that includes risk management strategies, contingency plans for different market scenarios, and a clear direction for their trading activities. Step 3. Develop a trading system. Traders need a well-defined trading system aligned with their beliefs and psychology. This system should incorporate risk management principles, adaptability to different market conditions, and the ability to measure performance historically and in real time. A trader's trading style should also match their mindset. Step 4. Position sizing is key. Position sizing is a crucial element of trading success. Traders should determine the optimal position size based on metrics like win rate, risk-reward ratio, and equity balance. The right position size helps prevent substantial drawdowns and ensures that winning trades are worthwhile. Step 5. Continuous self-evaluation. Successful traders continuously monitor themselves, their emotions, and their adherence to their trading plan. This self-evaluation ensures that traders stay disciplined, follow their rules, and make adjustments as needed to maintain consistent performance. Thanks for watching.